Hey, what's up, everybody? Steve with Showcase Reconditioning. Hey, we finna start doing a series on how to, just simple videos on how to get something done, you know what I'm saying, the proper way or the way that works best for us. I mean, it ain't no, do it this way or don't do it at all type thing, but we're gonna just show you the way that we do it, that's always worked for us, that's made, us who we are and made us successful at what we do. So first thing we'll do is we'll get an all-purpose cleaner or a dedicated interior cleaner. And basically, instead of taking the sprayer and spraying the whole seat down and letting it like this, what happens is when you spray, it hits these spots. And so those spots start to work faster than anything else. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our brush, gonna saturate it a little bit right here, and then we'll go to the top of the seat, and then we'll work it in. So, once we get it all worked in, get a lather going, and then that way it's all even on the seat at one time. It's not running down the seat until you get to, able to get to it, to wipe it up or whatever. So we're just gonna put it on the seat like this, let it work in. Once we get it all worked in, to where we got enough on the seat to where it's working, we're gonna take a dedicated brush, and then we'll get some more cleaner on the brush. And then what we'll do is we'll just go in and deep clean the seat, get the, exfoliate the leather, get down in the grooves of the leather, get down in the stitching, the bolsters. So, we'll get all this taken care of. Once we get all this taken care of, get it all cleaned up, get down in there good. And just take a towel and just fold it. And we'll just come down and we'll just wipe it out. Once we get it all cleaned up, we'll let it dry for a second. Come back with a second towel just to remove all the excess residue in the seat. And got it all clean. So hey, share this with all your detail buddies, share this with all your friends. Yo, follow us on Showcase Recon, on Instagram at Showcase Recon. Give us a follow. If you got any questions, hit us in the DM, hit us in the comments. We'll be glad to help you with any questions or anything that we can do. Hey, this is the first segment of what you can do or how to do. Appreciate it.